Hello there, you're watching the Lockpicking Legend, and we've got the Federal Lock F series. Now that blue bit of plastic at the bottom of the lock is to prevent the lock from not having a bit of blue plastic. You see the bite in there, standard. Look at that sort of semi-closed shackle. Kind of defeats the purpose because you can still get a pair of bolt cutters in there. And I'm kind of angry about this because people put their trust in these locks. You know, one of the good things that the lockpicking community have done is shown people that these locks that are in DIY centres and hardware shops are useless. I just single pin picked that so fast you probably didn't even notice. You may have blinked. But, you know, people put their trust in these things. Little Toby has saved up to buy a bike, got a little chain. Let's see the city rake. Good Lord, quicker than a key. You know, chains his bike up, puts a padlock on it. Absolutely useless. Now watch this, the back end of a hook. Just push the pins out the way. It's almost like a comb pick attack, but with no combs on the comb pick. Bobby pins. Now if I can do all this in one take, this will be special. Because we've all seen a bit of bobby pin raking. I'm not even using the curly whirly end. Just the straight end. It's basically the comb pick attack again. But how about a bit of bobby pin, single pin bobby pin picking? Come on, Federal Lock F series. Oh dear. Scrap metal, that is. Thanks. Lockpicking Legend.